This n8n automation system works like a helpful virtual assistant right inside WhatsApp for anyone looking to ship freight. Whenever a customer sends a WhatsApp message, the assistant chat with them so naturally to gather all the necessary details about their own shipment. Once it knows exactly what needs to be moved and where, it instantly finds the base shipping cost. And after that, it will be automatically adds our custom set commission percentage and sends back the final, you know, commission included price to the customer automatically without any error rate. So let's see the demo first, and after that I will explain you the data flow in the whole workflow. So yeah, okay. Now we can test the assistant. Okay, it was asking the questions. And by the way, it already recognized me as buyer because my account, my mobile number was already saved in high level CRM. So if my mobile was not already saved in the high level CRM, it will ask me about my email address and my full name to create a contact automatically. Then only it will start asking these questions. So every single query will save in your own high level CRM. So it's completely closed system and your leads won't be lost anywhere. Okay. So everything is automated by the way. Okay. Technically, I missed some questions. I mean, I missed some requirements. So it simply asked me back about those missing details. So let me just give it those. Okay. It was asking me for any special services or any accessories. So for now, it's a no. So let's see. So if everything goes well, all the required fields was given. Okay. See, have a look. The quotation was automatically generated. So let's just verify what was the actual price and what was the our quotation. I mean, what was our commission and what was the final quote that was sent to the user. So yeah, this will be the recent execution. So the actual cost was $3,320 point 70%, and our commission rate was 15%. And after that, the final rate will be 3818.85 US dollars. And we received the same, final rate, which was nothing but the original price was already added our commission, and the final rate was only sent to the customer. So this is how the whole automated quotation will be given. So yeah, let me explain you the data flow in the automation system. So firstly, the workflow triggers upon whenever a WhatsApp message was received. So we will check whether the that particular WhatsApp trigger actually has a WhatsApp message or not. So we will be checking that particular contact number with our high level CRM to check whether there is already a contact in our CRM or not. And if there is a contact, we will be checking with, I mean, whether they are under do not disturb mode or not, so that by no chance we don't contact the people who are not interested or who are purposefully completely out of the automation, who don't want them to involve in these automation things. So we will put them in do not disturb mode. So after that, if the content was not in the do not disturb mode, then only we will pass that particular user message to the AI agent. So here, this is the heart of the automation because the AI agent will completely, remembers the user context because, you know, whatever the AI agent was simply outputting based on the user query, or everything will be saved in the Redis chat memory. Okay. So based on so in simple terms, the AI agent will simply remembers the context of the user for the past five messages. And this is a dynamic user prompt. Okay. This is not some static prompt. So let's say if the content was not already there, okay, then it will say something like the content is not created. Blindly ask the user for their full name and the email address, and use the create a contact tool once provided. Those two details. You know, if the lead was not there in our Go High Level CRM, the prompt section will change to the text that I have been said to you, and the AI agent will blindly ask the user for their details, and once the user simply gives their own details back, it will use this particular tool to create a contact in the high level CRM. Okay. So after that, or else if by chance if the user don't wanted to give anything, I mean, the whole thing will be put off right here. Okay. I mean, if he didn't complete the full name and the email address fields. Okay. But let's say if the contact was already there in our CRM, then then the prompt will be different. The contact is already in our CRM. Their name is this particular thing. We are good to go. Move directly to asking about the pending apps in our freight quote query. So, okay. I mean, which was nothing but it will ask the AI agent will start asking about the details of your, you know, uh, parcel. So, yeah. So once the AI agent completely gathers all the information, it will route us to the, to this particular HTTP node where we use WARP, API gateway, which will gives us, a lot of live quotations out there, live best quotation out there. So we will be using that particular live quotation, and we will be completely, adding our custom set commission percentage, and we will be sending that particular final quote amount which was included with our commission rate to the user. So this is how the whole system will work, and this is how the data will flow across the system. So yeah, that's it for today.